guys. So today I got a little bit of an issue. Every time I try and start the truck, it instantly turns off. And you turn the key, you let go, and the truck shuts down. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery. And I believe the issue here may be a bad ignition switch. So first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna get our little nail. We're gonna switch the key over to that position, the utility position. Push her on in there. Then you just push that pin in, pull it out, and boom. So now we got that. So now we're gonna take off this here dashboard and put in the new ignition. Okay, and now for the last screw, get out of my way, shifter. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now I'm gonna wrestle with this thing. There's a bunch of stuff that I gotta unplug from the back. So I'm gonna mess with that for a sec here. All right, got the dashboard out of the way. All I gotta do is take that out and put in the new. Here we go. Okay, after a lot of fidgeting, we got the old one out and we got the new one in. I got it all plugged in, tightened up. Now I'm just gonna put the dash back together, screw all in, and hopefully she goes downtown to get some bitches. Hell yeah. This is so incredibly difficult to get in here. I swear to God. I just cannot get this in there. Paige? Yeah? Can you come here? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Paige. Give a thumbs up. All right. Sweet, got it in. Thanks, Paige.
No problem.
Sweet. Reconnect the battery and see if it works. All right, there. And that, my friends, is how you fix your ignition switch on an F-100. Stay tuned for more, guys, on my epic journey with my 1972 Ford F-100. All right, let's go take it for a spin.